I want to tell you all about one of my very favorite Disney characters, Merida from Brave. Have you seen the movie? If you have, you probably know why I think Merida is so amazing. And if you haven't, you're in for a treat. First of all, Merida is so different from any other princess. She's not waiting for a prince to come and rescue her. She's super strong and does things her own way. I love that she's always climbing mountains, riding her horse Angus through the woods, and shooting arrows like she's the best archer in the whole kingdom. I think it's so cool that she's not afraid to get a little messy or have an adventure, even if it's dangerous. There's one scene in the movie that I just love, when Merida rides through the forest with her bow and arrows, shooting targets one after another while riding at full speed. She's so fast and focused, and I remember thinking, wow, I want to be that brave someday. She doesn't care what anyone thinks about her being a princess. She just wants to be herself, and I think that's really special. What I really admire about Merida is how much she cares about her family, even when they don't understand her at first. There's a part of the movie where Merida and her mom, Queen Eleanor, have a big fight because Merida doesn't want to follow the traditional princess rules. She wants to make her own choices and have her own adventures. I think it's really brave that Merida stands up for herself, even though it's really hard for her. And then, when she realizes that her choices have put her family in danger, she does everything she can to fix things. That's my favorite part about Merida. She doesn't give up, even when she's made mistakes. She finds a way to make things right, and she learns to be strong without losing who she is inside. There's another part one love when she goes back to the forest to face the big, scary bear. Even though she's terrified, she knows she has to protect her family, so she faces her fears and stands up to the danger. She's so brave, and I think that's what being a real hero is all about, not being perfect, but being brave enough to do what's right, even when it's scary. Plus, Merida's hair is just the coolest. It's this wild, curly red mane that's always bouncing around when she's riding or running through the woods. It's like it has a personality of its own, just like Merida. I think it's really fun that she doesn't try to change herself or be something she's not. She's proud of who she is, wild hair and all, and I think that's a great lesson. Merida is all about making her own choices. She doesn't want anyone else to decide her future. She wants to write her own story. That's why she breaks the tradition of marrying someone she doesn't love. She shows everyone that you don't have to follow someone else's path. You can make your own, even if it's a little scary and different from what everyone expects. Watching Merida's story always reminds me that it's okay to be a little different, to have dreams that are big and wild, and to be strong even when things don't go as planned. Merida teaches me that making mistakes is okay as long as you're willing to learn from them, and that true bravery is following your own heart. And that's why she's one of my favorite Disney characters ever. Thanks for listening to why I love Merida so much. I hope you remember to be brave like her and to always be yourself, even if it's a little different from what people expect. Because, just like Merida says, our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it.